Did I just hear my little baby, little youngest child sneeze? He might have a diabetes. I gotta help him. I'm coming, little kid. Youngest child, where are you? Youngest child, where are you? Come on, come on. Maybe around. Yeah, Mom. It's not that bad. Nope, not